How to disable a Zscaler without a password. Now, the easiest method of doing this process is by resetting your PC. Now, what you want to do is go to your Windows icon and then just type in update. Now, head out to check for updates and then head over to recovery. Now, once you see reset this PC available, all I have to do is to hit on get started and just choose on keep my files. So if you'll be using on keeping your files, the Zscaler will automatically be removed without asking for a certain password. You're just gonna make sure that all your important files are being kept and not to be deleted. And once you hit on this one, just simply follow through the on-screen prompts and you should be able to do this method. So that's it. That's how you remove Zscaler or disable Zscaler without a password.